Welcome.
Gentlemen, Captain speaking. I would like to inform you that in a few minutes we will be landing at our destination. The weather is unfortunately bad and we may experience some very bumpy turbulence. So, fasten your seatbelts and keep them fastened. Thank you. Captain, brace for impact.
Brace! 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 Brace!
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten seatbelts immediately and evacuate using the closest exit. Leave your luggage and go to the closest exit.
Blocked exit! Fire is coming! Go to the front! Go to the front!
Come here, use this exit. Come here, use this exit. Come here, use this exit. Exit on the wing. Reach the slide and jump down. Exit on the wing. Reach the slide.
Attention please, Captain speaking. I regret to inform you that we developed a technical problem with the engine. As we look into the issue, for your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Fasten your seatbelts! Fasten your seatbelts!
Captain, we're forced to make an emergency landing. All passengers assume the brace position.
Keep the brace position! Brace! Brace! Brace position! Brace! Brace!
Cabin crew, evacuate! Evacuate! Release seatbelts!
Haven't you heard? Put on the life vest that is under your seat. Hey, put on the life vest.
Leave in the aircraft. Leave all your belongings. Evacuate using the exits closer to you.
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
Come this way. 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 Go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize again for the delay, which was due to the poor visibility. We have now received permission to take off. In a few moments, we will head towards the runway.
Fasten your seatbelts. We will now leave the gate.
There is debris on the wings. Head to the next exit. There is debris on the wings. Head to the next exit.
Leave your luggage.
Come here.
You are
Use
slowing
this
down everyone.
Come here. Use this exit. Jump and slide. Jump and slide. Jump and slide.
We had an uncontained engine failure. Wear the oxygen masks and prepare for a crash landing. This is Captain. Brace for impact. have received clearance from air traffic control and we are ready to go. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. Suffered a tire burst. Cabin crew, emergency evacuation.
Leave your luggage. You are slowing down everyone. Don't take the luggage. Run, fast. Hurt, leave all your luggage behind.
Come here. Use this exit. Jump and run away. Jump and run away. Jump and run away.
Captain speaking, landing gear is down, keep your seatbelt fastened and prepare for landing. As you can see, there are fumes in the cabin due to an electrical fault. The flight attendant is manually deploying oxygen masks. Wear them immediately. Captain, please keep wearing your masks and stay calm. We are already over the runway.
Fumes are coming from the front. Exit on the wings. Exit on the wings.